Hey guys, we have to solve x to the power 4 equals 64. So let's see. Now if we take power 4 in both sides, then we'll get x to the power 4 power 4, then 64 whole to the power 4. Now we can put a formula a to the power m whole to the power n equal a to the power mn equal a to the power n whole to the power m. Now here m equal x to the power 4 and n equal 4. We can write x to the power 4 whole to the power x to the power 4 and 64 we can write 8 square whole to the power 4. Then x to the power 4 whole to the power x to the power 4 equal 8, then 4 times 2 is 8. Now from a to the power a equal b to the power b, comparing both sides, we can write a equal b. Now here a equal x to the power 4 and b equal 8. Then we can write x to the power 4 equal 8. Now taking fourth root on both sides, we can write x equal plus minus That's for today guys. Thank you.